Welcome to the Live Holistic YouTube channel, where a holistic lifestyle is made simple. I'm Liv, and on this channel we dive into non-toxic holistic living, giving simple non-toxic DIYs and easy practical tips to live a holistic lifestyle. And today I'm going to be showing you all my non-toxic laundry DIYs. Making your own laundry detergent, dryer sheets, scent boosters, and linen sprays. None of these recipes are complicated or hard to do. Having a non-toxic laundry routine will not only be better for your health and your skin, it's also better for the environment, and in the long run these recipes are more affordable and will save you money over time. So let's get started with laundry detergent. To make your own laundry detergent, you can use a glass container like this, or you can even use an upcycled laundry detergent bottle that you've already finished. So what we're going to do is mix 1 cup of liquid Castile soap. I always get the baby scent so it's unscented, and then we're going to add 1 cup of water. Next you're going to add a half a cup of baking soda to the mixture and stir or shake it to combine all the ingredients. Next, you're going to add 10 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oils. I have my own brand of essential oils. I have them linked below for you. They're my absolute favorite. So each essential oil comes with a card with safety and 2 DIY recipes, so you know how to get started on using them right from the start. Each also comes with a dilution chart, so you know how to dilute them safely for kids. For laundry, I usually add lavender, so let's just add 20 drops of lavender. Use about 1/4 to half a cup depending on the size of your load, and use as normal. Next, we're going to make dryer sheets. For the dryer sheets, you're going to cut cotton cloth squares into about 4" by 4" squares. Place them in a small jar with the lid. This is a 4-ounce jar. I'm going to fill the top of the jar with vinegar and then add 15 drops of essential oil. I'm going to stick with lavender. And the squares will be soaking in the vinegar and lavender solution. To use, squeeze out any excess vinegar and then throw it in the dryer with your clothing. And I promise your clothing will not smell like vinegar at all. And when you're finished using the dryer sheet, you can put it back in the jar and let it soak again. Next is a scent booster. The store-bought scent boosters are made with synthetic fragrances that can disrupt your hormones and irritate your skin, but this DIY is so simple you'll never have to buy them again. In a bowl, mix 2 cups of Epsom salts with 20 drops of essential oils. Stir the mixture to ensure the essential oils are evenly distributed throughout the salts. And then we'll just pour the scented salts into a labeled container. Aren't these so cute? I got these on Amazon. And then to use, depending on the size of your load, you're going to do 1 to 2 tablespoons of the scented Epsom salts to your washing machine, along with the DIY laundry detergent we talked about earlier. These add such a nice aroma, don't leave any sort of film on your clothing, and best of all, completely non-toxic. Next, we're going to make a linen spray, which is really similar to my DIY air freshener spray, which I shared that over on Instagram and TikTok, so I'll tag that below for you too. In a spray bottle, combine 2 cups of distilled water with 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. The alcohol helps disperse the essential oils and acts as a natural preservative. It helps the aroma linger in the air a lot longer. Next, you're going to add 30 drops of your favorite essential oil. I love the blend of citrus and floral, so I'm going to do 15 drops of orange and 15 drops of geranium. Close the spray bottle up and shake it well, and spray on your towels in your linen closet. And in a pinch, we'll use this as an air freshener too. Comment if you tried any of these recipes, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being here. I'll see you soon.